The Tyre Sensors Not Detected check manual error on your Ford Fiesta 2010 to 2024 models indicates a loss of signal from one or more tire pressure sensors. This is often due to dead sensor batteries, lasting 5 to 7 years, faulty wiring, or software glitches. First, ensure your tires are inflated to the recommended PSI, typically 32 to 35 PSI. Try a basic reset by locating the TPMS button under the steering column or in the glove box and holding it for 3 to 5 seconds until the TPMS light flashes. Next, drive at 25 to 30 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to allow the ECU, engine control unit, to resync with the sensors. Ford has also issued software updates, OTA, to reduce false positives, so ensure your car's software is up to date. Also consider checking the physical condition of the sensors, especially after tire rotations or installations. If the basic reset fails, advanced troubleshooting requires an OBD2 adapter and software like ForceScan to reprogram sensor IDs. AAA and ASE experts recommend professional resets for Fiestas over 5 years old. If the error persists, sensor batteries may need replacing, or there may be corrosion or damage. Future trends include smart TPMS with Bluetooth sensors and AI-driven diagnostics. By 2030, app-based fixes should be common. This system complies with US FMVSS 138 regulations, mandating TPMS on vehicles since 2008, with accuracy within 1 PSI, so it is important to have a functional system.